Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader. Alright, for those of you who are new to the topic of Pitchfork tool trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com. Alright, so this is the Pitchfork tool. We need 3 points to draw the Pitchfork tool. The first point, second point, third point. Now we have our Pitchfork tool on the chart. When we are talking about market geometry, we are talking about the projection of channels. Rising channel, we can project it to the left or to the right in the direction of the price. We can project declining channel. We can project in any direction that the price is going, okay, horizontal channel. But when we are using the market geometry, like a Pitchfork tool trader, we are not using, alright, any other channel. We are not using, okay, normal channel. We are using the width of the Pitchfork tool. So you can use as many Pitchfork tool that you want. You see, you have the orange Pitchfork tool, you have the brown Pitchfork tool here, and you can project the width of any Pitchfork tool in a direction of the price. This is about how to use market geometry like Pitchfork tool trader. Instead of using normal channels, you only working with the width of the Pitchfork tool of the Pitchfork tools that you decided to use. And this is a very beautiful example here. This is why I'm recording a video, because I'm looking back at this chart and I say, wow, this is a beautiful example here. And I want to record this short tutorial. You can see the orange Pitchfork tool. This is the width of it, all right? So price goes above it, we project it up, bringing us right here. It goes above that brown line, we project it again one time here. Okay, now we are here. Now again, it goes above it, then we project it up. Now, the financial instrument that we are analyzing is Boeing. Now, unless you are living somewhere far in a way away from the normal civilization, probably you have heard about okay, Boeing 707 or 737 Max. They have some problem, and look, the time when the problem has started, all right, Boeing stock was at the edge of the last channel here. So we were at a price target zone. All right. So market trader that were trading the stock, they want to hit that the edge of that channel, and the bad news was coming out, and we see here the first bearish engulfment. So in fact, this is not a surprise to technical traders that are using market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader, because in this zone they know that there is a high chance that the price may turn around here. I see here it turn around here, target zone. Okay. So this is the advantage of using market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader. Let's play a little bit with this one, this Pitchfork tool here, the brown one. Okay, I haven't done that one before, so we're doing it together now. So that's the width of that one, okay? Let's see whether this is also will be useful to us. So we project the first time we are here, so we're going to draw a line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. So the line that you are drawing at the target point should be parallel, not horizontal always, but parallel to that Pitchfork tool that you are using. Because I'm using the brown Pitchfork tool, I must draw a line that is parallel to that Pitchfork tool there. So I'm going to make it a little bit thick for you. See. So we have that first target there. We project the price goes above it, I bring it up again. And now again, I will draw a line to the target point, which is the top of my measuring stick. That is what? Parallel to the brown Pitchfork tool, not the orange one. Okay, because we are using the width of the brown Pitchfork tool. Therefore, that line should be parallel to that brown Pitchfork tool. Okay, hold on please, just to double check that's correct. Okay, is it parallel? So we are here. Okay, so now it goes above it again. What do? We move it up one more time. And what do we need to do next? We draw a line that is parallel to the corresponding Pitchfork tool. Is it parallel? Okay, a little bit. Just agree to that. Roughly. You say, George, that's your favorite well. Roughly. All right. So somewhere there. That's it. So we have a target which is almost, you see, corresponding to the orange line here. So you see, in fact, this intersection here, you see the intersection between the orange line and this one. This is what? This is what? That's correct. A hot spot ready zone. So that's why it stopped. Again, you may say, George, okay, just a coincidence. So, all right, let's see the median line of our last channel. Because anytime we draw a channel, we can draw a median line. You see? So now the median line here. All right. This is how one can use market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader, concentrating on the projection of the width of different Pitchfork tools. So you can draw as many channels. So I can find another Pitchfork tool now. Let's do one more so you can understand what I meant by this blah blah blah. Before you start accusing me and say, George, it's the same repackaging, George. I like you, Joe, but I'm not sure about this one. I'll mark it down. All right, before you start bashing me, so we have another Pitchfork tool here, you see. Let's change the color of that into dark green. Okay, you see now? So we have our latest Pitchfork tool. So now the price is not yet out of that Pitchfork tool. If one day it gets out of it, whether up or down, what do we need? We just measure the width. In fact, we can do it now before the price will even come out of it. Project it down. What do you need to do next? You draw a line that is parallel to which Pitchfork tool? Is it the orange? Is it the brown? That's correct. Parallel to the green one because we are using the green one. Anytime we have a new channel, anytime we project a channel, don't forget the median line. And if it comes out here, which will go above that channel, what do we need to do? Now you get it. Okay, so everybody is happy, everybody understands it. So I am a happy man, okay? So try to play with this, all right? Especially on the monthly chart. Play with it, all right? See how you find it. If you like it, try to use the demo account, practice, until you master it and own it. To own something, it means that you thoroughly understand it. It becomes yours. It's no more mine, it becomes yours 100%. Say, George, I like this strategy. I master it. Now it's mine. And you use it as you like. So currently the price is testing the edge of the green Pitchfork tool. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to use market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader. Have any questions, suggestions, blah blah blah, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If the video has been truly useful to you, please let me know by giving us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down without blinking, alright? Mark it down and say, Joe, I'm not impressed. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend, alright? On Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Scoop It, and the social media. I really appreciate that, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is The Pro Traders YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use market geometry like a Pitchfork tool trader. Are you a Pitchfork tool trader? Are you a market geometry trader? Alright, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.